Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how you can change your GoPro MAX 360's name on your application. Let's begin! Of course, when I'm talking to application, I of course mean the GoPro Quik application. We can enter it, we can ignore the fact that I am not logged in, and we can ignore the fact that we are not subscribed to some subscription fee. Like, come on, man. Now we want to head into GoPro here, and we should see our camera. In order to change its name, all you want to do is simply click three dots here. We can go into edit camera name, click here, and we can just edit and then put here whatever you want to. So for example, we can name it Epic HardReset.Info Cam. Let's go with save new name. Now we have Epic HardReset.Info Cam. Now this feature is very useful if you own more than one GoPro. Then you can name them individually. So for example, you can name one GoPro the helmet and the other the floor or whatever, to be honest. And then you can have a nice distinction between them. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.